Kaizer Chiefs faithful supporters and all football lovers across the continent. Welcome to Mlexi Entertainment. Okay guys, today I come bearing good news. Very good news regarding Kaizer Chiefs, our favorite club. Guys, as we all know that Kaizer Chiefs is on the verge of signing new players. Well, let me say they are on the right direction so far. They are doing good, and they are signing very good players. They are not signing average players this time. They are signing very good quality players so far. I think we have to applaud them for that. Hey, you know, we wanted a new striker. We wanted someone who will be a goal poacher for Chiefs, someone who will be a good finisher, someone who will convert goals for Kaizer Chiefs. And now they've signed a good striker, a good defender, and a very good midfielder. Okay, guys, without wasting your time, I know that hearing that Kaizer Chiefs has signed a striker will get you all excited. I won't lie, guys. Nami ngiyangijabulisa ukuzwa ukuthi sebenasi striker now, someone who will convert the chances that they've been creating so far, because we all know that they've been creating chances, a lot of chances in the PSL, but they've been failing to convert those chances. So now Kaizer Chiefs has signed a striker. His name is Flavio Silva. He's 29 years old. He was born on 3 April 1996. He's a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Liga 1 club Persebaya Surabaya. Let me say, ngiyaqala ukulizwa igama le team, but he's been playing on League 1. And this is what he looks like. This is Flavia Silva. Flavia Silva played 33 matches this season. He managed to convert 3 goals. He had 1 assist and 5 yellow cards. What do you think about his stats? Is he good enough for Kaizer Chiefs? Do you also think that Kaizer Chiefs did a good signing here? What do you think, guys? Hit me up in the comment section. Next on our list is Nkanyiso Shinga. Nkanyiso is a defender. The good news is that he's a South African. He's 25 years old. He was born on 30 March 2000. He plays for FC Alvesa in the second Portuguese division. He played 20 matches this season, did not convert any goals, had 0 assists and 3 yellow cards. This is not surprising because Shinga is a defender, he's not a midfielder nor a striker. So I think we understand why he has 0 goals and 0 assists. Well, his primary goal is to defend, not to convert goals. This is how Nkanyiso Shinga looks. Guys, last but not least is Ethan Crislet. Ethan Crislet is an attacking midfielder. He's 26 years old. He was born on 11 August 1996. Ethan played for Port Vale FC in the EFL League 1. I think Ethan will blend well with Thabo Cele in the midfield. He played 25 matches this season. He managed to score 4 goals, had 1 assist and 3 yellow cards. I really think that Kaizer Chiefs is moving towards the right direction when it comes to the signing of players. Guys, That's all I had for today. Thank you very much for your time. Until we meet again. Kaizer Chiefs. Amakhosi amahle. Danko.